In this course, you will learn how to sew a waistline children's frock with a fitted bodice and a flayed skirt attached to it. This frock has a puffy sleeve attached to its armhole. It has a circle cut skirt attached to its bodice. It has a zipper opening at center back of the frock, and the skirt hemline is neatly finished with horsehair braid. For the pattern layout, you can either make a partial lengthwise fold or you can make a lengthwise center fold depending on the age group for which you are constructing this garment. So in this sketch, I am showing a lengthwise center fold. The front of the bodice is placed on folded edge of the fabric. I have also mentioned the seam allowance information here. The dotted line that you see here is the cutting line, which is marked little away from the actual outline of the pattern that you can see as a solid black line here. Front is cut in one part, whereas back is cut in two parts, and that's why the back bodice is not placed on the folded edge of fabric. If you want, you can keep the back pattern upside down depending on whether your fabric is plain or if it is a printed fabric having a bi-directional design. The enlarged sleeve can be placed right below the bodice block patterns, and the sleeve block has to be cut in two pieces. So as you can see here, even on the sleeve block I have written the pattern allowance information. All the patterns are cut on straight grain. Now these are the cut and sew parts of this garment. You have the front bodice, which is cut in one part. Here you can see the two pieces of back cut and sew parts. So you can join the side seams of front and back after matching the chalk mark, that is the inner solid line, as you can see in this picture. Now once you join, your garment will look like this. It's still unfinished and incomplete. You have to cut out a circle like this. If you want, you can cut a circle separately for front bodice and separately for the back bodice. But here I am going to show you how to cut out one single circle skirt that will be attached to the bodice, in which you have already joined the side seams of front and back. This is the circle skirt which will be attached to the bodice. So as you can see here, the hole in the circle is the waistline of the skirt, which will be attached to the waistline of the bodice, and the outer edge of the circle is the hemline. So a waistline frock looks something like this. Here you can see a picture of a waistline frock in which a gathered skirt has been attached to the frock, but in this example I am showing you how to attach a circle skirt to the bodice, but the silhouette is the same. Both are waistline frocks. So once you attach the skirt to the bodice, now you have to attach the zipper at center back, and then you have to finish the rest of the garment, like joining the shoulder seams and then finishing the necklines either with piping or facing.